So hi there folks, this is Margaret Klein coming to you from Titusville, Florida with an amazing virtual walkthrough of 1805 Riverside Drive, Unit 206. I want to first give out a big shout out to Janet Rochester. She's the list agent on this property and she was kind enough to allow us to do this walkthrough. We are in a 2023 condo, 1332 square foot, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. And this here is bedroom number 1 as soon as you come in the door. And then we're going to swing right over to the other side for bedroom number 2. So nice view of that room. And we're going to go back out into the hallway and get to our first bathroom, which is our guest bath. Gorgeous countertops. Check out that tile and that shower tub combo, absolutely gorgeous. Check out the flooring through here. Same flooring all the way through. Nice and light colored, makes everything look bright and shiny. And let's check out these cabinets. Nice deep sink, gorgeous countertops. Your microwave, stove. Refrigerator on this side, more cabinets up above, so plenty of space there. And we are going to cruise through to the laundry room. That great, having a nice condo with your laundry inside. Nice little room there. Gorgeous open concept. So you've got your dining room, living room area here. Got to show you that light right there. That light is one of my favorites. I think it is the coolest thing. So anyway, yes, you see the river out there. And we are cruising through. And nice open concept. There's your kitchen. And that cool, you can be in the kitchen cooking. And while you're cooking, you are looking at that gorgeous water. Let's cruise into the master bedroom before we get outside. So, in my opinion, the master bed would go along this wall over here so that when I'm laying in bed, that would be my view. And that pretty blue sky, gorgeous water, plenty of room for a TV up on that wall. And got a walk-in closet here. Other side is a huge linen closet all the way across there. And master bath, you've got 2 sinks, lots of cabinets, nice mirror. And then check out this shower. Super nice, huge shower. Of course, your toilet's around the corner. Nothing great about looking at a toilet. Nice fancy door on there. And now we'll go to the best place. Check out this patio. Isn't that cool? And here is your view. You hear that water lapping right down there on those rocks? It's such a cool sound. Across the water there, you'll be able to see the rockets going off. Can't beat this view, people. Just cannot. And we will just stay here while I do my recap so you can be looking at that gorgeous water. Again, we are in a 2023 condo, 1322 square foot, 1805 Riverside Drive, Unit 206, listed at $429,900, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. And this one does have a separate garage. So you have a actual pull-in garage here. $30,000 is what the owner paid for that to add it to this sweet deal here. And again, Janet Rochester is the listing agent on this one. Want to give another big shout out to her for allowing me to do this video. And if you want to get in and see this condo in person yourself, you can call me, Margaret Klein, or you can give Janet a call, and either of us would be glad to get you in here, show you everything up close and personal where you can open the cabinets and touch the counters. Thanks so much, folks, and you have an amazing day. Talk to you soon. Bye.